In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Shopify theme with ease and confidence. Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform that enables entrepreneurs like you to set up an online store effortlessly. Whether you've just bought a new theme or have several waiting in your theme library, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to get a new look for your store up and running. To start, when you're on the Shopify homepage, situate yourself by locating the left-hand navigation panel. This panel is your main directory for all things Shopify. You'll be using it frequently as you manage your online store, so getting familiar with it can only benefit you. Once you're ready, find the Online Store button in this navigation panel. Clicking on this will reveal several options related to managing your store's visual and functional elements. Take a moment to explore what's available, but for today, we'll focus on themes. Next, head over to your theme library. This area houses all the themes you've either added or purchased for your online store. It's almost like your personal theme vault, where you can store every look you've considered for your storefront. Hover over each theme thumbnail to get a preview if you need a refresher on what they look like. It's always good to review your library every so often to see what creative options are at your disposal. For each theme in your library, you'll see two buttons, Publish and Customize. Our primary focus today is the Publish button. Publish is your key to making a theme live for your customers to see. It's essential to ensure that the theme you're about to publish is tailored to fit the brand and aesthetics of your online store, so if there are any last-minute tweaks needed, now's the time to handle those in the customization stage. However, if you've already done that, feel assured in clicking Publish, and that's it. Once you click Publish, your chosen theme will become live and visible to anyone visiting your store. Keep in mind that changes can always be reversed, and Shopify allows you to experiment as much as you wish, so don't feel locked into one look indefinitely. Should you wish to switch things up, return to your theme library, and you can repeat the publishing process with a different theme. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated the Shopify backend to give your store a fresh new face. With a little practice, you'll be able to switch things up whenever your store needs a refresher or when you want to test out new design ideas. Thank you for following along, and happy Shopifying!